how do you get the energy from those non-CO2 emitting sources to fly the airplane? I'll use that as just illustrative. And the only way to do that is to have those sources make hydrogen and then fly the airplane on hydrogen. And, you know, it's that missing link. It appalls me that it is so easy. I mean, the question is, you got to cover all the services. Some of those services are called free-range transportation, ships and airplanes and cars, right? Some other services are refining steel. How do you get the energy from these new clean sources to do that? And the only answer is hydrogen. And curiously, it's what nature uses. In other words, nature uses the sunlight to split water to make hydrogen. That's how it keeps the world alive. It's so elementary. You know, we've done everything. We've got all the basic technologies. We have to make them cheaper. And we're using massive amounts of hydrogen, but we're not using them the proper way, which is making them from clean sources. We're using it from a process called steam methane reforming, which is to use natural gas and so on. So there are elementary things that we could do today that take us there. What I call a hydrogen age, sometimes I call it a hydricity age, because it'll always be hydrogen electricity. Electricity is not going to go away. Remember, they're both energy currencies. They're not sources. If I look to a deep future, and I think it's good to have your eye on what the deep future can be, so you do things that are taking you there today, then I would say take the continents, like take North America, which I happen to be most familiar with. Then basically the trunk network of energy distribution will be hydrogen pipelines, not electricity grids. I think that the real danger is, the real barrier is lack of appreciation that the system is comparatively simple and it won't work to get rid of all our CO2 unless we have a chemical currency and an electronic currency to link the energy sources that will be clean with the services that we need, and those two currencies are hydrogen and electricity.